Hi you guys, it's Asia Marquet here, Lemon Creation. I truly hope you are all doing great. And this is a video I've made just before Christmas. There is even Christmas decoration, but I didn't have time to edit it. And now, since we are all stuck at home, I said to myself, why not? Maybe that will give you some ideas, especially if you are a little bit stuck and if you are feeling low and scared and you're lacking on mojo. Maybe this is something you can do. So this is my brouillon kind of thing, in which I decided one day that I'm gonna actually doodle. I want to learn how to doodle. I'm very inspired by a few great artists who are doodling like crazy. For example, CC Creation or Kiss My Creative. And I'm gonna give you links to their YouTube channels in the description box below. If I forget, which can happen, please remind me, because they are really truly great artists. And I don't know why, I kind of start liking doodling lately a lot. And I used to doodle a lot also when I was young, all actually throughout my life. But that was just a doodling, you know, when you watch something or when you listen to somebody or when you play a game, you just do your small things here and there. But I wanted, last year I got this idea that I wanted to learn how to do it properly and do not just one type of doodling, which was kind of like my brand doodling, but just go ahead and learn other things I am not familiar with. So right now, I am just doodling things which I haven't finished, and I'm sorry because my hand is obviously taking all the space. I need to put my hand on diet, and you cannot really see clearly. But I'm gonna do a flip through of this journal, and you'll see how the pages changed throughout the time. Some of the drawings I'm really happy with. Some of the drawings are not so great. This, what I'm doing right now, I use the All Stabilo pencil. And this is something I really love to do. Geometrical motifs, a little bit of, how you call it, really doodling without any sense. Well, there is a sense in it, but it looks like that. And I don't know if you've seen it, but sometimes I hold my pencil or my pen in a weird way, not like you would do when you are writing, for example. So it's kind of I'm holding it from above or from the top part more, and I want my wrist to be very relaxed, and like that you kind of do this funny lines. You don't really your hand goes on the paper wherever it wants. You don't put the strength to it, you don't put control into it, and this is one of the techniques I learned also throughout the last year, and I really love that. So as you can see, this is my flip through. And as you can see, some of the things are really, well, kind of like school children things which I drew, but I learned a lot. I took a Skillshare course on doodling, and I am also inspired a lot by what's happening on Pinterest or what I'm finding on Pinterest. I try not to copy. I take, if it comes to the marks making, well, you cannot really copy because you put the marks on the page. So like mark making is basically putting the marks, for all of you who don't know that. So dots, lines, things like that. But as I said, I do not copy what I find on Pinterest, but I take inspiration. I look at some flowers and the way the people do them, and I try to make my own. And that's the whole idea. You cannot really copy. It's not cool, but at the same time, if you try to make it your own, even if you are not managing all the time. Look at some of my drawings, they are really not great. at the end of the day, if you exercise, you're gonna get there. So some of the pages I'm really happy with. Look at I found there a photo of how are they called, starfishes, starfish. I really love it. And they are the small foxes, which are very popular now. So that is a little bit what I kind of, well, still not copy, but I wanted to do by myself. And I found also this one with angle relief and the tubes like that, which I found one day project very similar to this one, and I really loved it. So my birds are not beautiful, my hearts are quite alright, and it goes like that. I find myself in liking my geometrical motifs, especially the circles. So guys, if you are, if your mojo is gone, if you don't know what to do, maybe try like that. Maybe you'll find yourself doodling away in no time, and maybe you'll find your style. Mostly stay home, stay safe, stay zen, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a lovely day despite all the craziness going around. Kisses, bye bye.